So this is one of our deluxe king rooms. So this is our entry-level room category. We do have deluxe king rooms and then deluxe double queen rooms as well, which are very similar, just a little bit larger in square footage, and of course 2 queen beds instead of one king bed. Yes.
Right.
And then, as you'll see, and I'm sure you might have noticed in your room, all of our rooms do have the bookshelves with, they're all real books, just another little ode to the library. And then all of our rooms have the Nespresso machine and the Hotel Bennett bottled water. That is all complimentary. Yes.
Right.
And then, of course, we have our honor bar, which is an additional purchase.
And a nice flat screen TV.
Yes, all of our rooms
And
have
then
the
we
flat
did find
screen
that the
TV.
safe
The
is in the bottom
credenza.
drawer.
Yes, in the bottom drawer.
In case you're looking, the safe is in the bottom drawer. Nice, beautiful king-size beds, luxury linens.
My personal favorite part about the rooms, the pedestal soaking tubs.
Yes. And the sliding doors for
And
privacy.
yes, the mirrored French doors that open
Yes.
up to the bathroom. I know, I always say that's my favorite part about the rooms is the bathtub.
And we
I
have a
just
nice
love them.
full-length mirror. And then I love the closet. The closet lights up. And we have the complimentary robes, iron board, little umbrella there. But it never rains in Charleston, right?
Never, never.
And then this room has the one sink in the bathroom, as well as our full walk-in shower. And then, of course, the toilet is separate. And then all rooms also have a hair dryer. It's in one of the drawers. I know that. So you have your hair dryer.
Yes.
And a makeup mirror. And it looks right out into the room, your tub. Fabulous. With a little chandelier over the tub also, which I think is really a nice
I know, I
classy
love it.
touch.